Hello guys, welcome. So today I'm going to teach you the basic BBMA strategy that was invented by Omar Ali, a Malaysian trader. This is quite an efficient strategy that I've used to pause my forex funding challenges. So let's just dive right into it. Okay, so first indicator you want to have on the charts are the Bollinger Bands. Make sure just have everything as default done. So I have my colors as white. Next, have the moving average, the 50 method, exponential, apply to close. Choose any color like the aqua. Done. So the EMA is just used. The EMA 50 is used not for entries but just to give you the overall trend the market is in. So if it's below, that's a downtrend. If it's above, that's an uptrend. Easy. Done. Okay, the next indicator you want to have is also a moving average. So pay keen attention. You're going to have 4 moving averages. The first moving average is going to be the 5 method, linear weighted. Keen attention. Linear weighted, apply to high. So the color, you can choose any color. I prefer green for this. Done. The next indicator is also moving average. We're going to have 4 of them. So that was the first. The second, just change 5 to 10. You can change the color to anything you want, but I'll just prefer a darker shade of green. Done. Okay, so we are done with the highs. We're going to add the lows of the moving average. So just apply to low. Done. Oh, I forgot. I need to change the. Okay, so I have to change the color to red. Done. The last moving average is going to be the 5 linear weighted low. The shift is always 0. Done. So right now you have the basic BBMA strategy setup. So this was the first video of this, let me call it the first video of this series. If you watched all the videos, by the end you'll have yourself a profitable strategy. You don't have to, you just have to work on risk management and you'll be fine. Okay, so see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.